I know. That is very cool.
Can you say hi to your daddy? Lorelai, throw the ball for daddy. Throw it to him. Throw it to the camera. Throw it. Throw it, throw it, throw it. Good job. Now go get wet. Look at mommy. Can you blow me a kiss? You blow it a kiss? Lorelai. Can you show me, who is that? Who is that one?
It's Harrison.
And who is that one over there?
It's Nicholas.
And who's that in the middle?
It's Albert.
And what about over there in the corner?
It's Tasha.
And who's this guy?
It's Tyler.
Yeah. And who are you?
It's Noah.